Hello, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Joseph Novichkov, Senior Analyst at GDMFX with the morning outlook. Starting with Japan, the currency rose versus all of its 16 major peers and also strengthened to 5-month high against the euro when we saw a rising by 0.2% at 137.30. As a decline in U.S. stocks futures and most Asian shares spurred demand for safer assets. We're looking at the U.S. dollar to highest level in 3 weeks on Yellen's comments. Now, the dollar was near a 4-week high as economists said the U.S. data will show that housing starts and manufacturing will rise. Some investors believe the euro area's economy is in its worst shape in more than a year. Now it's in a danger of dropping into deflation with the central bank that many believe is not enough doing to help the region's economy. Also is worsening that they say the most since May 2013. When Europe was, of course, emerging from recession. The euro currency versus the US dollar is declining to retest the level of 1.35, where we can see even further downside. The British pound, UK seems to be on the right track at this moment. However, the cable didn't manage to post new high last week. The uptrend, however, is still valid as long as the weekly support of around 1.7 pounds per dollar level holds. In the commodity sector, gold is extending an advance from a 3-week low on signs of increased demand in China and India. As we know, the two world's largest consumers. Gold imports by India jumped 65% to $3.12 billion in June from $1.89 billion a year earlier, after the central bank allowed more banks and traders to buy bullion overseas. However, the price stands its neutral ground, and most of our indicators are also neutral to sideways signaling movement. Oil, West Texas Intermediate, rose for a second day after U.S. crude supplies fell as refineries in the world's biggest oil consumer boosted processing to a highest level since 2005. The largest seasonal draw in crude supplies are showing demand pickup. As we saw, the technical support at the 200-day moving average is supporting very well the commodity and is now traded above the level of 100. Right now is at 101.60. That's all from me from today. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.